How to plant flower trumpet in the house for ornamental plants for beginners. Angel's trumpet or angelic trumpet or amethyst mountain is one of the flower plants that have flowers with beautiful shapes. As the name suggests, the shape of a flower is like a trumpet. Flowers' trumpets have a variety of colors. There are white, yellow, pink, orange and so forth. Plants' flower trumpets can grow to a height of about 2 to 4 meters. Flowers' trumpets are commonly found in the highlands with an altitude of about 700 to 2100 meters above sea level. Trumpet flower classification. Kingdom, Platy. Subkingdom, Trachiobiota. Superdivisio, Spermatophyta. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliocida. Subclass, Asteridae. Order, Geschiales. Family, Apiaceae. Genus, Madevola. Species, Madevola sarderi. The trumpet has a wide open end and a pointed base like a horn trumpet. Flower plants' trumpets can grow large, so suitable for home decorative plants ornaments. Here's how to plant flower trumpet in the roof home for ornamental plants for beginners. 1. Preparation of trumpet flower seeds. Trumpet flower breeding can be done by stem cuttings. The trick: choose a good middle rod of a good tree, then cut sloped for easy detachapka or planted. After that, you can plant it directly in the planting medium that has been prepared. 2. How to plant flower trumpet. After the trumpet seedlings have been cut, then planting media can be prepared. Planting media that need to be prepared is a mixture of soil and manure or compost with a comparison of 1:1. Then enter the planting media in the pot or can be processed directly in the yard. Plant seedlings at a depth of at least 25 to 30 centimeters for strong roots. After that, solid the planting medium around the seeds for the seeds in an upright position upwards. 3. How to take care of flowers trumpet. Do intensive watering at the beginning of planting. After the seeds can grow well, then watering is done as needed only. Perform fertilization regularly every 2 to 2.5 months. Fertilization is either by detaba or splashed. So we are discussing about how to plant flower trumpet in the home for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.